Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power and network so the camera can join your ecosystem. Plug in or charge the device and make sure your router broadcasts on the correct band. Many devices prefer 4 GHz for range. Next, install the companion app and sign in so you can register the camera immediately. Once done, grant camera and microphone permissions, then follow the on-screen pairing flow. This step creates secure keys between device and app, which is why it matters now rather than later. You now focus on optimal placement and security settings. These determine both coverage and privacy. Mount the camera about 7 to 10 feet high, angled toward doors or windows, and keep it away from direct sunlight to prevent glare and false triggers. Once positioned, connect to Wi-Fi, check for firmware updates, and set a unique, strong password. This secures streams and recordings. Then tailor motion zones and sensitivity so alerts matter. Finally, configure night vision and notification schedules to match your daily routine. You finish by validating every feature so the system behaves reliably. Test live view, two-way audio and playback from both cloud and local storage. Make sure clips save where you expect. Then set schedules, geofencing rules, and who can view the feed because access control prevents surprises. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshoot, power cycle the camera and router, then recheck the Wi-Fi password and signal strength. These steps resolve most offline or pairing failures and get you back to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.